Once again, good afternoon, no? So I'm here walking for going to my patients, no? By which, what happened, my mindset is not, it's bad, no? Really bad, yeah? Again, especially your people, you are from America, it's mind sitting, there you are. Again, maybe you are one of the detractors, maybe, for me. Maybe you're not given by God for me, yeah? So here's the payment, yeah? From the freedom, from the Canada, here. Again, you hold the 2 checks for 3 weeks, yeah? There you are, you hold the two checks for 3 weeks, by which that's very important. You know what? This is life. This is not movie or teleserie, yeah? There, no? Again, the freedom told me it's old. Again, here. Old, no? Old. Again, here, the computation, yeah? Here. Again, how many times I beg you? Almost 3 weeks. Look here, again. Here, again. I'm really a poor, but I'm also an honest. Then, please, no, the people here, no? Bank of Commerce, there you are, no? So, Bank of Commerce, no? Special thanks to RC Satina there. Again, what's the problem again? Please, talagi, no? Here, you said it's about Visa. I had no Visa card, yeah? I was saying I'm very poor, no? 100 pesos ramang galito ang sold sa bangko by winning this one, yeah? Here. Again, I'm really sorry for being honest, no? Here, 100 pesos, no? Current balance available, 100 pesos. Trace number 050067. For ATM related inquiries, please call, no? Here. Again, that's 100 pesos. You hold that money for 3 weeks, by which I cannot post to the episode 3, yeah? Again, so again, in every problem, there's always be a solution. In every law, there's always be an exemption. By what? Why? So here, no, from YouTube, they're down to them. It's about karon si freedom pa man, by which nga next month, upat. More than, again, 7 websites will send us some monthly and lifetime, yeah? Again, maybe your company is not worth it for me. Again, this is the last message for you, especially for the CEO and chairman of the board of the PayPal, no? Incorporated, and then the team. How many times? I'm run out of dopamine already. I'm really sorry, no? Maybe this is, I have to transfer the other account by which we can pay, no? Western Union or any other, no? By which I can also delete all my files, yeah? And also all the time which my success is about the patent by the United States of America. Again, this is the last call for people.